notification bell when new episodes are released. Every last Wednesday of each month, a new episode will come out. The early 20th century was a turbulent time for Black Americans. Jim Crow laws, segregation, and lynching plagued Black life in America. Out of the bleakness rose a creative genre that transcended these troubles: Afrofuturism. Afrofuturism is a genre that incorporates Black history, culture, and technology through literature, music, and art. Some define it as a social movement where people of African descent play a central role in the creation of the world. Sun Ra, a jazz musician in the 1950s, brought the Afrofuturism movement into public consciousness.